Hearty welcome to everyone. We have a whole bunch of events part of the day today.
Life pollutes and we are very good at polluting. So now we realize that maybe we are a little too good at it. So we need to step back and see if we can do less of it. So technology is what I'm saying will help us save the future. If we don't do something for future generations, we should hang our heads in shame.
So the choice of database definitely will help both from a TCO perspective and then from actually reducing carbon footprint or sustainability goals. Aerospike's unique architecture actually helps you do the same amount of work with much fewer servers.
Want high performance, and we want to use the resources that hardware provides us to build a system that can take advantage of it. And eventually it led to the things that Subbu talked about, but that level of always efficiently using resources to its maximum advantage is a design principle for good engineering, because it is not by chance that our system is better than others. It was an intent of building it well.
Earlier, you wouldn't have done this shopping online, right? A lot of it would have been you go and visit the store, and that typically is a cash economy. But the moment you start transacting online, that is when you start getting into the digital banking space, right? So banks have to now increasingly start supporting all these transactions.
Systems like Aerospike as an example here provides that capabilities where you can actually utilize all the bandwidth that is available to build smaller use cases or the high demanding use cases.
The scale is so high, and team service is so critical to our business. Like the whole business of Dream11 is on team service and context join. We cannot afford a minute of downtime.
And then with everything we have got a reduced infrastructure because we have removed one of the component. Effectively we have effectively removed the persistence and the caching layer with Aerospike here.
Since the time we went live in the Kubernetes infra, we have seen 100% availability with operator. There hasn't been any incident where we had a production issue because of the operator. It has been working very well for us.
Sustainability is again a very strong pillar for us. We make it a point to work on different hours like data reduction by TTL tuning, archivals, and we have cleanup recipes, automation in process to identify the data which could be cleaned up, bring goodness to a system, tech standardization. So whatever components that we build, it is at a DBAS standard. It is not like built in silos.
Anything that you search on Myntra hits an Aerospike cluster at the back end. So in terms of operations, millions of operations per second, right? And P99 read as well as write, I would say read is sub-millisecond.
I think getting an exceptional support throughout the 24/7 and the partnership which we get while working on an enterprise version is second to nothing.
It's been almost more than 10 years we are using Aerospike, back to 2013 I guess. Most of the use cases which has been happening with IDSP within InMobi are for caching, feature store. Our latency optimized architecture is the topmost priority, and we basically require Aerospike for effective traffic shaping.